Welcome to another video and welcome to Namche Bazaar. I was going to show you guys around Namche a little bit. I haven't even checked it out myself. I just did a quick walkthrough to my hotel, so let's go check it out. Also, if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel by clicking the link below. It only takes a second and it helps me out a lot. Go ahead and click it right now. Thank you. I got a room, basic room, not cheap, 500 a night. So this is Namche. Most people, they fly into Lukla and then they stay 2 days here to acclimatize. Ooh, store. I'm gonna have to go in there.
Please? Sorry, how much is cost?
And you definitely think you can get everything in the calendar?
Might come back for some crisps, although they're not cheap. 400. 200 for Oreos. Everest Burger and Steakhouse. Ooh, a store underneath the store. So the ATM is broken, but there's another one down here that possibly works. Cafe Namche Bar. It's rockin' beer. The Irish pub. Good food, cheap booze, and great music. ATM this way. So the ATM works. Namche is the last ATM you're going to find. There's a 500 rupee charge, which is about the same in Tamil, in Kathmandu. Your mama wants you to taste yak steak. Carry me back pickup station. How about the carry me to the top station? This is beautiful. Wish I'd gotten here earlier so it wasn't so cloudy and dark. Hey, pupper. Namche is at 3,400 meters, by the way. Trinkets, souvenirs, trekking gear. Water, 100 rupees. It's not too bad. Japanese and Nepalese restaurant. Tempura, sushi, noodles, tofu. Sounds pretty good. So I bought some crisps for 400, pretty expensive, but I was gonna order the cheapest thing on the menu here at the hotel, probably some soup, and then I'll have these in my room later, although that's not allowed, but I don't always follow the rules. So that's my tour of Namche. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time.
You lift my spirit, with you high is all I'm feeling. Remember